you will unlock it like that. It'll be too easy. Let's try. The lever won't work. Wrench? But we need the wrench still, because there's still one more thing. Oh, binoculars. I don't see what that code, what that thing is. It doesn't look like the numbers, but I couldn't see what it is. The button? Let's see. 2369. That's what. Oh, is this what this is for? I'll put these down. 2, 3, 6, 9. Yep, moving. Yep, it's moving. It's starting to move. Yep, that's what it is. Oh, I got it right. What's this do? It's locked. I can't get in there. Yeah, that's what the room is for. You look, that's the only chair it could be. Yeah, I think so. What is this for? I'm gonna try it. Should I try it? I don't know. Let me do it. Wait, that's my box. Oh wait, did that just took out my box when I did the gear thing? I think it did. Exactly what I used. I will never see that box again. Of course we did. We saw it again. I can pick it up. That's cool. But now we have to redo that again though. How do we get that? I'm just gonna throw away the wrenches. I don't think we need it. It's moving. Look, it's moving. Oh, it opened. It doesn't open. It doesn't open. Wrenches. I don't know what this is for. It was trying to move again. Wait, oh, that's weird. Bye guys, next day part 17.